makes this sound? Are you ready? Let's play a sound game. Listen close and guess with me. What is the animal sound? Clap, clap, listen now. Funny sounds are all around. One sound, one surprise. Can you guess with your eyes? Who says moo, moo, moo? Who says moo, moo, moo? Listen, listen, guess it now. Moo, 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 moo. It's a cow, a happy cow. Moo, 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 right now. Cow, cow, big and slow. Moo, moo, now we know. Who says quack, quack, quack? Who says quack, quack, quack? Wiggle, wiggle, guess it now. Quack, 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 quack. It's a duck, a funny duck. Quack, quack, splash and jump. Duck, duck, in the pond. Quack, quack, all day long. Who says ba, ba, ba? Who says ba, ba, ba? Soft and fluffy, guess it now. Ba, 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 ba. It's a sheep, a little sheep. Ba, ba, sweet and neat. Sheep, sheep, white and slow. Ba, ba, here we go. Who says neigh, neigh, neigh? Who says neigh, neigh, neigh? Running fast, guess it now. Neigh, 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 neigh. It's a horse, a happy horse. Gallop, gallop on the course. Horse, horse, run and play. Neigh, neigh, every day. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Jump, jump, jump and dance. Spin, spin, turn around. Touch the ground. Clap, clap, clap again. Move your feet with friends. Listen close and play along. Here comes another sound. Who says oink, oink, oink? Who says oink, oink, oink? In the mud, guess it now. Oink, 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 oink. It's a pig, a little pig. Oink, oink, funny and big. Pig, pig, pink and round. Oink, oink is the sound. Who says tweet, tweet, tweet? Who says tweet, tweet, tweet? Flying high, guess it now. Tweet, 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 tweet. It's a bird, a tiny bird. Tweet, tweet. Have you heard? Bird, bird in the sky. Tweet, tweet. Flying high. Who says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit? Who says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit? Jumping high, guess it now. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. It's a frog, a funny frog. Ribbit, ribbit on the log. Frog, frog, green and small. Ribbit, ribbit, jump and call. Who says roar, roar, roar? Who says roar, roar, roar? Strong and loud, guess it now. Roar, 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 roar. It's a lion, a mighty lion. Roar, roar, big and strong. Lion, lion, king today. Roar, roar, all the way. Moo, moo, who is that? Cow, cow. Clap, 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 clap. Who is that? Duck, duck. Flap, flap, flap. Ba, ba. Who is that? Sheep, sheep. Tap, tap, tap. Neigh, neigh. Who is that? Horse, horse. Run, run fast. Oink, oink. Who is that? Pig, pig. Wiggle like that. Tweet, tweet. Who is that? Bird, bird. Fly, fly fast. Ribbit, ribbit. Who is that? Frog, frog. Jump like that. Roar, roar. Who is that? Lion, lion. Roar like that. Now we know the animal sounds. Funny sounds are all around. Moo and quack and ba, ba, ba. Neigh and oink. Ha, ha, ha. Tweet and ribbit and roar, roar, roar. Everybody move, move, move. Clap and sing and dance around. We learned every animal sound. One more time, let's play again. Guess the